In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a world of opportunities to earn money from home. With a little creativity and effort, anyone can leverage their skills and passions to generate income online. One such avenue is selling digital designs, and Canva has emerged as the go-to platform for aspiring entrepreneurs. Imagine having the freedom to set your own hours, be your own boss, and earn money doing something you love. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a complete novice, Canva provides all the tools and resources you need to create stunning visuals that people will be eager to purchase. The beauty of selling digital designs is that it requires minimal overhead costs. Let's delve into what makes this platform so special and how you can harness its power to create a thriving design business. Canva is a graphic design platform that has revolutionized the way people create visual content. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive drag-and-drop functionality make it accessible to everyone, regardless of their design experience. One of the key reasons why Canva is so beginner-friendly is its vast library of templates. Simply choose a template that aligns with your vision, customize it with your own images, text, and colors, and voila! You have a professional-looking design in minutes. With its intuitive interface, vast library of resources, and affordability, Canva empowers anyone to unleash their creativity and design like a pro. Now that you're familiar with Canva's user-friendly interface, let's dive into the exciting part, creating your own designs. Step 1. Choose your design type. Upon logging into Canva, you'll be greeted by a plethora of design options. Select the design type that aligns with your goals. Step 2. Select a template or start from scratch. Browse through the available options and select a template that resonates with your vision. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also choose to start from scratch and create a completely custom design. Step 3. Customize your design. Experiment with different fonts, colors, images, and layouts until you achieve the desired look and feel. Canva's drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly easy to move elements around and resize them to your liking. Step 4. Add your personal touch. Upload your own images, graphics, or logos to give your creations a unique flair. Once you're satisfied with your design, download it in your preferred format and share it on social media, use it for your business, or sell it online. Section 4. Showcasing your creations platforms for selling. Now that you've created a collection of stunning designs using Canva, it's time to showcase your creations to the world and start earning money. First, Etsy. Known for its handmade and vintage goods, Etsy has also become a popular marketplace for digital products including Canva designs. Next, Creative Market. As the name suggests, Creative Market is a marketplace dedicated to digital design assets. Then, your own website. For ultimate control and branding opportunities, consider setting up your own website to sell your Canva designs. And finally, social media platforms. Leverage the power of social media to promote and sell your Canva designs. Create engaging posts showcasing your work and direct your followers to your online shop or marketplace listings. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are particularly well suited for visual content and can drive significant traffic to your products. These platforms provide excellent opportunities to reach a wide customer base and maximize your earnings. Section 5. Maximizing your Canva earnings. While creating stunning designs is crucial, it's equally important to employ effective strategies to maximize your earnings. First, niche down and target your audience. Focus on a specific niche or target audience to tailor your designs to meet their needs. Next, offer a variety of products. Don't limit yourself to just one type of design. Offer a diverse range of products to appeal to a wider audience. Then, provide excellent customer service. Respond to inquiries promptly, address any concerns with care, and strive to exceed your customers' expectations. Also, promote your designs effectively. Utilize social media marketing, content marketing, and even paid advertising to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with influencers or bloggers in your niche to promote your designs to their followers. And lastly, stay updated with design trends. Stay abreast of the latest trends and incorporate them into your creations to keep your designs fresh and appealing to buyers. Follow design blogs, attend webinars, and engage with other designers to stay ahead of the curve. These strategies will help you boost your sales and grow your Canva design business. Section 6. From Canva creations to cash, start your journey. Embarking on a journey to make money online with Canva can be both exciting and rewarding. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Embrace the journey, experiment with different designs and marketing strategies, and don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced entrepreneurs. So, take that first step, unleash your creativity, and watch as your Canva creations transform into a stream of cash.